Hello बच्चों, in this question a block slides with constant velocity on a plane inclined at an angle theta. So there's a inclined plane of angle theta. A block moves with constant velocity. The same block is pushed up the plane with an initial velocity v0. The same block is pushed up the plane with initial velocity v0. The distance covered by the block before coming to rest is. So basically there are two cases, case 1 and case 2. Let's draw the FBD of both the cases and simplify. हमें बताना है डिस्टेंस जब ये वाला ब्लॉक रेस्ट पे आता है. सो पहले केस में देखेंगे, ड्रॉइंग द फोर्सेस आई हैव mg, normal and friction, right? Because the body is moving with constant velocity, we can say the acceleration is 0 or the net force acting on the body is 0. So the components of this weight mg sine theta and mg cos theta are balancing the friction and normal respectively. So here we can write an equation that mg sine theta is equal to friction, the kinetic friction, right? Which is actually equal to mu n. Now this is equation number 1. Let's come to case 2. In case 2 we have the final velocity 0, initial velocity v0. एक्सेलरेशन यहाँ पर क्या होगी, डिस्टेंस हमें निकालना है. सो एक्सेलरेशन विल बी द जो नेट फोर्सेस लग रहे हैं अलोंग द इंक्लाइन डिवाइडेड बाय द मास. सो एज द ब्लॉक इज गोइंग अपवर्ड्स द फ्रिक्शन विल बी एक्टिंग, द काइनेटिक फ्रिक्शन विल बी एक्टिंग बैकवर्ड्स एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम द फ्रिक्शन mg का कॉम्पोनेंट दैट इज mg साइन थीटा वो भी पीछे की तरफ लगेगा. सो द एक्सेलरेशन इज सिंपली mg साइन थीटा प्लस फ्रिक्शन divided by m, right? Now we have b, u and acceleration. We have to find s. So we'll use the third equation of motion. Third equation of motion is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Now v square is 0, u square is v0 and acceleration is mg sine theta plus fk by m multiplied by s. Now from 1 we can put fk to be mg sine theta. So from here I will get s is equal to, in magnitude, let's forget the negative sign, v0 square divided by 2 into 2 mg sine theta by m, cancel. That means s comes out to be v0 square by 4g sine theta. So the correct answer comes out to be option number 2 here. Okay. Thank you.